Hey guys, it's JC with Offenhauser. I'm at the Grand National Roadster Show. We're in Building 7. We're just finishing setting up. Just want to show you a couple things you can come and see in person. Got a big block dual quad with our oval air cleaners. Over here we have small block Chevrolet display, single quad with our new 10-inch air cleaner. We got a prototype sample of our Offie Equitone 3D printed speaker. I've got the Offenhauser Dual Quad FE 5407. Check that out. Got these in stock. Here we have our new LS valve covers. Right here I've got the original Offenhauser small block Chevrolet display. This was made by one of our pattern makers back in the 1950s. It's got a very early Offenhauser EcoFlow intake. However, we have our brand new Offenhauser small block Chevrolet valve covers. This is a slightly new modernized design. It's got the fins going completely through. We have it in this case with a PCV grommet. On the other side we have a twist in. We also provide these with no fins at all in a classic look. Big block Chevrolet cross ramp 57, part number 5715. It's a rare part. We haven't made these in about 30 years. This is a brand new casting. We just finished it, brought it out for you guys to see. This is a big block Chevrolet display. Offenhauser's had this again. This has been in many SEMAs. This is a winner's block, winner's heads. Offenhauser big block valve covers. You got some Jardine headers. These are from the 70s. Thanks for watching the video. Come down to GNRS. We're in Building 7. I got a couple things here I haven't told you about. You got to come down and check it out. Come and say hello. We're looking forward to meeting all you in person. Thanks.